So I just want to make an update video again. I recently purchased an R32. I was fortunate enough to find one for a really good price. I got my Rabbit on the right side. I never thought in my wildest dreams I'd have like two hatchbacks at once. Just kind of ridiculous, but I was lucky enough to get them, and I got it for a really good price. So I mean, I couldn't pass it up. You rarely see these things pop up anymore, so I just had to jump on it. She's in pretty decent condition for an old car. You know, there's a few things I gotta fix here and there. You know, they're not gonna be perfect. This car's '04. You know, it's almost like a 15-year-old car. They got a little bit of a bend over there. I gotta fix that quarter panel. Shouldn't be too much. I mean, there's like, I just got it aligned, so the alignment's better now. The wheel was kind of bad, and gotta fix the wheel bearing and change what's the thing called? I think connected to the wheel bearing. I can't remember right now. But it's really not in bad condition. Stuff I just gotta fix here and there. I'm really glad I got it. She drives like a dream. You know, there's no check engine lights. There's no nothing like that. Let me see if I can get the seats in here real quick. So excited to have this thing. She's definitely got a good detail. It's just kind of dirty on the inside, but I'm such a huge fan of these seats. I really love them. I gotta get a little bit of the bolstering fixed right here before it pops. Shouldn't be much, but just want to make an update video. You know, I love this car. I love my Rabbit, and I just figured I want to show you guys. You guys have a good one.